Hey, what's up? It's Gene with Dent Repair Now. Today we've got this wicked dent on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Customer sent it out for a detail, came back and they saw this. It's one of those mystery dents. Nobody knows how it happens. We're gonna make it disappear. We've got a couple things to contend with. It's a large dent. We've got a body line running right through here. And inside of the dent is a nice deep crease right through here. So come on over and let me give you a good look at the damage. So you can see it's on the passenger fender. The hard body line runs through here, and this is a nice crease right inside of that dent. We've also got a pretty good buckle up here where the metal, when it hit, it buckled and folded up here. So we're gonna get to work. We're gonna access everything through the fender liner and save this using the paintless dent repair process. All right, we are mid-repair. Just wanna show you some of the progress. A lot of hammering all along this crown or buckle to get this up and moving. It's starting to shape. The body line's coming back. All of the work is being done through the fender liner right here. And we've been using the large tip to make big soft pushes to bring this up. We'll be back to show you some progress in a little bit. All right, just want to give you an update on progress on this nasty fender dent. We're getting into the detailing stages, so you can see the shape is back for the most part. We are just going in and picking up the little lows and knocking down the little highs and making it perfect. I'll be back to show you the finished product. If we can help you out with a dent or a ding, give us a call or visit us at dentrepairnow.com.